Hello, traders. So here we are, 1 hour after the market open. You can see, well, no, you don't see it. We have this thing. So here's a disclaimer again. This is a disclaimer regarding this live trade room. Any comments made or trades taken strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade the KTC system. I do not provide any type of signal services whatsoever. So if you decide to copy my trades, do it with your with taking your own risk. I will not be liable for any or losses or losses on your PM or PA or your evaluation. Okay. Again, I will not be responsible for any of that since I do not provide any type of signal services whatsoever. Any past performance is not indicative of future results. Basically, that's what it means here. Okay, so let's look at the chart. Hey, Kent. So here we are. You can see we are getting to the of that IB low. Most likely it might bounce off, or it may just continue going down. Right now, it's around. It's going to create a low further down. So it's 8 minutes before 10:30. Once it hits 10:30, then it stops creating. It's going to start plotting it's going to start plotting the extensions, which basically are good targets. So you can see we have your fair value gap down here. It may try to get down there, or it may just bounce off. We'll see. This one I might be able to take. Again, I want to make sure that I have the right account. This one, I'm trading a PA. This has already been, I already requested for funding for this. But this one, I'm going to do maybe 6. And I want to have it customized because this will probably not be enough, especially with this. Let me see here. Especially with what's going on with the volatility. No, customized there. Okay. See, created a new low, hitting the 1.5 minus 1.5 the deviation level here. Let's see if we can try to bounce up off that. But the target may be down here again. This is where you have the fair value gap. Let me see here. Just want to time this just to get my first trade. Yeah, see, it's going to bounce off. I don't have my ticker. I got to get my ticker on. There's a bounce off. Bouncing off to the mid band. Good morning, Jan or Jan. Jan or Jan? So we bounced off that low. We created that low. That's where the 1.25 extension is. So it looks like this might be going up. Let's see. Can try to hit this up here, right? This right there. I don't know if it's going to hit that and come back down. Yeah, it looks like it.
Order filled.
So I'll probably take that for, let's see, hopefully for a scalp. There we go.
Target filled.
Oh, not quite 300. Jan. Is that what it is? Jan? John. John. Is that what, correct? Not Jan. Okay, just want to take that scalp right now. Most likely it's going to try to come back up. Let's see if it's going to do that. And continue taking it up. So, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make sure you get a reversal bar here. 'Cause, make s If we don't get a reversal bar, then it's going to be going down. At 4 minutes before 10:30, before the bottom of the hour. There it is. So let's see if it's going to try to come down. I don't know. It's kind of tricky. We're above the 50, the mid band here. It may bounce off the mid band. Where's the 233s over here? Oh, you try to delay. Well, let me see here. Let me see what's going to try to do here. So we got a reversal candle to the upside, so it created another low, a higher low, but it may create a low here. We get a railroad, right? When we get that railroad, it's really a good
Order filled.
sign to go down. I just have to raise this up a little, right up there. Let's see if I can get a scalp here. Probably not. It bounced off. Well, it bounced off. Yep. See me come down. Oh, did it hit my? Yeah, I'm getting a delay too. Well, no, probably. Let's see if it's gonna come down. Keep on coming down. There we go. We have a reversal there. Didn't hit my stop. Yeah, it's just stalling right there. There we go.
Target filled.
Give me 634. Let's make 1,000 on this one. So let's see. I'm trading 6 micros right now. Let me see. 1 minute to the bottom of the hour. Most likely he's gonna try to test this down here. So let's see what's gonna happen here. It's either gonna bounce off the IB low, or it will come down. Again, we have a what you call it, a fair value gap right here. You're looking at the 5 minute chart. We're approaching the minus 1.5 extent or deviation. So again, it may bounce off here like it's doing right now. That's why I want to take a scalp, because I don't know what's going to try to do here close to the IB low. And here we have another railroad again, just like we did here. Let's see, we have a railroad. It completes this railroad to the downside. There it is. Yeah. So I breached that. Now it's coming back up. Now here we got some. It breached it. It never continued coming down. So now we see where where the extensions are, 1.25. And just like I said, it hit that low and just bounced off it. That's fine. Let me try to get up here to the session mid. Again, we'll find out here. Getting good momentum to the upside. We just have a pullback here.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see. We're getting up to the 233 right there. There we go. I'll keep my risk. Well, maybe it might. Let's see. It's going to bounce off that. Man, look at this. You don't know what it's going to try to do here. Okay, there. See how erratic? It doesn't want to follow through. Don't tell me he's going to try to get down here. Hopefully it bounces off. Come on, bounce off. Just playing games with that. You just go through. You can see it's weak momentum. It's yellow. I might just have to make it easier to hit that target. There we go.
Target filled.
So I'm at 1,098, and that's my goal. Again, this PA right now, it's already I already requested for a payout, so it's being reviewed. So it's getting here. We have a fair value gap here. It may bounce back down. You can see we have it here, but again, it may get up to here to the session mid. That's close to the VWAP. But again, look, we're reacting to this fair value gap. Right now, I'm just trying to bring my account right now on this PA. I might just take another trade here. There's a reversal up. I want to get past that 233. There's the
Order filled.
right. We have the nice. I
Target
just
filled.
trying to move it. Not too fast. 1395 right now. Let's go back up there
Order
again. It's
filled.
supposed to get up here. Let's see, it gets up to here at least. There we go. I want to give some room here just in case it backs out. One more push. Come on. Do one more push up. No, please. One more push up. I'm just struggling to get up there. Just leave up there. Let's see. One more push. Yeah, I just missed it by one tick. One more. This be a $500 trade. Let's go. Mm. Man, it's just trying to, because this might have a tendency to go down. No, yeah, some sellers coming in. At least this is a minimum loss if I take a loss. Let's see if we can get in one more push up. Bouncing off the 233 if that's the case. Come on, one more push up. There, come on. One more push. We can make it 500. Close to 500.
Target filled.
Okay, so I'm at 1896. So I'll take that. I don't want to be risking anymore. So, yep. With my total commission, there was only $30, so it's 1865. So I'll take that. Building it up. So this is gonna be my 10th trading day. You can see hit that session mid, trying to come down here. Most likely it knocks this low right here, this swing. But you have a lot of confluence here. You have the mid band, you have the 233. So basically, strong support to bring this back up again, right here. So, and that's what it's trying to do. But here you can see we're getting this is going down, so we're getting some divergence to see these points going up, but the points here are going down. So eventually going to probably go down. We'll look for that divergence. Okay, so I'm done with that. What am I gonna trade now? I traded. Maybe I should go my wealth charts. Anyone want to see? Go back to wealth charts. I'll be doing an eval there. I traded my PA there, and I hit my profit target. I believe like close to 600 again. So we didn't quite. I'm expecting this to come back down. Um, to test this 1.25. If it does not get past, you see we have a fair value gap here to the downside. So if it gets past that, then there's a possibility it's just going to continue going up. You can see that's where it looks like that's where our right now our current trend. Again, here's the VWAP. If it gets past that, then it's going to start going up. See, we're already above the position mid, so this may continue going up. Test the high up here. We'll see how it gets through here, through this jam right here. But other than that, I'm done with this PA. Um, so let's see what it does here at the VWAP. Guys, have any questions? So I traded my PA, got 1,800, close to 1,900. Do I want to make it 2,000? This is really coming down. Let's see what it does here at the 233. Will it bounce off? It's a 233. Even though it's always here, we're below the 0 line, so you may just come back and come back down. Let's see what happens there. Look at the 5 minute. You see it's trying to come down. See what happens here. Oh, we get some nice momentum to the upside. That's going up.
Order filled.
Oh, look at this deep pullback. Well, not really a deep pullback. It's just trying to get up there, bouncing off the mid band. We've got a reversal bar to the upside. Let's see if it continues with the momentum. Oh, don't give me a reversal bar to the down. There we go. Come on. Push it. Give me some strong momentum here. Get past that. There we go. One more push. I'm gonna be greedy. Get around 200 to get 2,000 even here. If we can get it. Looks like it's trying to bounce off that VWAP. Let's see if there's one more push to the upside. There we go. Come on, let's go. If it sustain that. If not, that's
Stop
fine.
filled.
Still 1.6, not much. See what happens. Maybe we try again. Again, we're creating higher lows here, right? And higher high. We want to see a reversal bar here to continue that. There we go. Okay, this time
Order filled.
will it go past? There you go. One more push. I'm basing this target on the upper band of the Keltner channel. There we go. There we go.
Target filled.
So I'm at 2,200. That I'm done. Going up to the deviation here, about plus 0.5 deviation. That's really a good strong um, resistance level. Let's see. Unless we have strong momentum, that's going to push that through. Usually, when you're on down here, again, it may bounce off that, come back, test the VWAP, and then the target would be here where the pivot point is. In fact, today's Friday. Friday is pivot point Friday, and usually that's where it tries to get back up there during the whole day. On that, we have the high here. I mean, again, I don't think it has strong enough momentum to test that yet. If it does get past this, then yeah, we may have strong enough to test that high and test the 1.25 extension right there. I mean, I have to look at that. I see. looks like we're getting building up some momentum here. But I'm done. I don't want to mess with this anymore. I need to be consistent. I'm at 2,200 at least, 2,100 with the commissions off. Nope, no more flash sales. That's for sure. That's for a while. There's 90% on wealth charts until Sunday. Get 90% on wealth charts. So if that's the case, let's do this. See if we can get my wealth charts up here. I think I bought another. I bought another wealth charts. Is it listed on here? No, I guess not. Thought I had it. There we go. Well, this is loading. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to move this so I see what I'm going to be looking at over here. Okay. There we go. Where is that? Right here. There we go. Oh, now they have mobile now. Oh, wow. Okay. So I'll be choosing, you can see here, I have the PA, right? So the PA already got, no, that's not logged in there. Apex. Log in. And this is my chart. Okay. So if right now on my, these are micros. This is the 50K. So if I'm looking what I did here, once. Yeah, that's what I mean. 600, close to 600. Total for the account right now is 1,200. Profit there. I have to make at least 4,100 to get request for a payout for the maximum, which is 2,000. So I'm working on that. I already have. This is my second trading day. Okay. So this one, and what is this? So make that so you guys can see it big. Okay. So what I have here, this is my template. We have the Keltner channel, the blue, the upper band there, and the lower band here, and the mid band is the teal, right, or the cyan color. This magenta color, and it's sort of intertwined. That's a 233. Well, the magenta is really the VWAP. Okay. You have the VWAP, you have the plus zero point 0.5 deviation, you have the plus 1, plus 1.5, and plus 2. Same thing going down. Minus zero point 0.5, minus 1, and minus 1.5, and minus 2. Those are the deviation levels. So pretty straightforward with this. It's all about price action. You can see we're getting what drawing right here. Drawing tool. Let's do a ray right here. Oops. Lines ray. Okay. Let's draw a ray from here to where? Can we have two touch points here? Well, really none right now. So it's steep. It's a steep climb to the upside. See that? Strong momentum. So I'll use this, right? Maybe this will now come down and touch my, oops, there we go. Let's see, it gets down here, right there. Maybe we're going to test that right there. Okay, there. That'll be the second touch point. We just want to see a touch point to validate the trend line. Again, it's coming to the mid band of the Keltner channel. What I have here, I'm trading maybe two contracts. It's micros. This is an eval, 50K eval. So this may actually come down. Let's see what happens here. He bunch off the mid band. Let's see. 1 minute candle. Nope. Did I get stopped out there? That's okay. Just trying to adjust this thing so I can adjust it. Where is this? This is 50. I just want to adjust this one goes. So here's your. There it is. You need to have at least two touch points. So it looks like it's like a P coming down here, or a fake out. Let's see. I want to see it knock out this right here. This is the right here. Right there. That's a swing right there. And also this one. Well, not yet. That's just basically that's when you swing if it goes up. So we have one here as well. Hmm. I didn't know they had that. Okay, so here. On my other chart, I have my. I'm surprised it's not on here. I have my VWAP. I don't know why I don't have it. Not VWAP. My MACD. Look at that. Trying to push up. It broke this swing right there. Yeah, it's trying to break that. Bouncing off that mid band. And you also have the 233 there as well. So strong resistance. Yeah, it looks like it's coming down. Oops. Oh, wow. Look at that. Where'd that come from? Do we have news coming in? Flatten. So I don't know where that is going. Close. What? It's closed? Unbelievable. What was that? Okay, I gotta see. That was a. Do we have news at 11? No. Okay, so that's good. This is a. That came out of nowhere. So I'm down 432, which ain't bad. Again, this is a 50K, 2,500 drawdown. Yeah, look at that spike. Where'd that come from? Yeah, get this trend line out because there's really no trend. did reach that. Okay, so I want to do this. Okay, so what happened there? Did it hit my? Oh man! So I gotta pay this. Let me see. What happened to that other one? That oh, okay, there I'm in. That's why. This is the profit target. This is the stop. It might test this. Where is this? 1.25. Where is this exactly at? 18,184. Wow. Is that farther down? Oh man, it's trying to get up to the mid again, to the VWAP. Basing this top on this deviation level that I'm thinking it's going to bounce off. We also have this moving average of tooth. I think it's a 21. Yeah, it's 21 EMA that's bouncing off on. Let's try and test that. No, don't tell me. How did it get up there? So that was 100. I think it was 147, right? See, it's gonna. It was. I think. My stop was too tight. I'm at 802. You see, there it is. It's coming down, and that's what it's gonna try to do. Well, I think it's gonna. I know. I'm looking at my other chart. It's gonna try to test that. Well, it's at the 233. It's gonna try to bounce off of the mid band. Use some to bounce off the mid band. Like I said, but these pullbacks are pretty deep. So we created a lower low, right? We're getting lower lows or lower highs. I mean, also getting lower lows. So it has to create a lower low because we can just create a lower high, right? See, we gotta catch up, pull, come up, and get my thing. There we go. Yeah, they're not following through. That's really weird. Yeah, again, they're doing. I mean, they're going lower, lower, so they're not following through. See that we didn't break this swing level right here, and there's their high up here. So let me see if we can get the highs again here. I don't know where I can get my. Here we are. Yeah, see, I think I tried to test that again. Oops, wait, wait, wait. See how they're doing that? Okay, so let's see if they break this right here. See, they're not. Hopefully, it doesn't, because then you still have a lower high. See, they're just really putting up all the way to the where they can go up, and then try and bring it back down again. So you're looking at this. You want to see a line, horizontal line, right here, because that's the next side right here, right there, right there. They break that, and the low is right here, right there. See how they're playing with that range right there? So they're just trying to bring it back up again. Oh, they did breach it. Yeah, this is just really close this out, flatten that. So they're going up with this. And test the mid again. That um, VWAP. So what they can bring this down now? Oh, this. Hmm. So we're gonna go on here. Oh, it bounced off here. Let me just bring this down. Oh, this is just tricky. Everything. I'm trying to bring this down. We'll bounce off here. Again, deep pullbacks. That's what's killing it. they're trying to bring this down. They're trying to just trying to bring this down. It's unbelievable. They create a higher high. See this? They create a higher high here, right? Yep. Create a higher high. Then they want to pull it back deeper. And of course, they're going to bring it back up. Oh man, this is just tough. Where am I here? There's no volatility whatsoever. That's what it is. There's no momentum at all. Let me see. Okay, I'm down 1,300. So my drawdown is basically 949. So I'll probably end it now. 8 minutes before midnight or noon. So this is the lunchtime. You're gonna have a lot of this. So there. So you see this? Let me see if I can get. Just need one good push. And then I got it. Hit that extension, the deviation level there. That's what my target was. Still down, but that's fine. To live another day. Just as long as I did good on my PA, that's fine. There it is. My only down 938 for today. My drawdown is 1,300, so it's doable, especially with the micros. Trade that maybe tomorrow or maybe later today if I'm still awake. See, it's gonna try to test it. Anyways, hopefully you guys did well. Sorry about to hear what Ivan did. It's really about controlling your emotions, not try to get in there. So this is what this looks like right now. Yeah, see, so we're going above, testing this plus one deviation, like I said. Probably gonna test that high. Other than that, that should be it. You guys have any questions? Easier in NT8. It's harder to trade in one. Oh, well, yeah, you just have to get used to it. Can't. No, there's no 90% code. In fact, they're trying to cut that down. If there's going to be another 90% code, it's not going to be on just an affiliate, a huge influencer. It's going to be based. It's going to be given to everyone in terms of the affiliates using their own codes. But yeah, they're going to do that far in between. Um, Probably we have a 50% sale right now, so the next one will probably get back to 80 again. Okay. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Where is that? John, congrats. You passed another eval. Enjoy the weekend. And everyone stay safe and God bless. Talk to you guys next week. London Open or London session next Monday. Okay. See you guys.